All right, geometry kids, I'm going to model one more for you just in case, you need a little more assistance on this. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my equation. The only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the y on the right side because it's just going to make it easier. All right, again, first thing you want to do, bring the constant over. So I'm going to bring that -1 over. All right, but I want to leave a slot, an empty spot for the square number. When I bring the -1 over, it's going to become +1. All right? Now, this number that I'm getting, again, is half of the x term squared. So half of 4 is 2. Now, whether you make it -2 or 2, when you square that, you're going to get a positive. Look, if I do -2 to the second, that's going to be +4. That's the number I'm adding on both sides. Okay, on this side, 2 is my factor. 2 times 2 is 4. -2 plus -2 is my -4. So I just bring down this minus, bring down the x, put it in parentheses, right? 2 squared is my 4. On the right side, we're going to combine. 1 and 4 is 5. All right? And then the very last step, we got to get y by itself, so we're going to swing the 5 over. So I'm going to have x minus 2 to the second minus 5 equals y. And then we're just used to the y on the other side. So if you wanted to rewrite it with the y on the left and this on the right, here's my equation. All right, and my vertex is going to be the opposite of this number. So 2 and whatever that number is, -5. This is my vertex. All right. Why don't I do one more for you? All right, number 6. Again, I'm going to take my trinomial and I'm going to put the y on the right side. All right? We got to swing this 40 over. X squared minus 12x plus the square number equals y. The plus 40 becomes minus 40 plus whatever the square number is. Again, you take half of this x term and you square it. So half of 12 is 6. Square that. This is the number we're adding onto both sides. So 36. Right? You bring down the minus, you bring down the x, you put it in parentheses. This is your factor of this trinomial. 6 times 6 is 36. -6 and -6 is -12. On the right side, you combine your -40 and your 36, and that's going to be minus 4. Okay? I have to bring the 4 back over, so it's going to become +4. All right, and then I just want to put the y on the left side. Now my vertex is the opposite of -6, so it's +6, and whatever that number is, +4. All right? All right, you have 8 more examples you could try. I'm making this, a 2-day lesson, so you have 2 days to finish it up, today and tomorrow. All right? Email me with any questions. Talk to you soon.